Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones generated on 6th May 2024, and let us evaluate their performance on 7th May 2024 live market. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. So you can access all the training lessons from our NeoStock YouTube channel. Click on this community tab. Here I already posted about our free training, and here you can find a link that will take you to the playlist having all the training videos. Just click on this link. You will get into this supply demand zone price action course playlist. Here you have all the training videos. And scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these videos one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update. Now let's get into the analysis discussion. We have identified 9 high liquidity zones. Out of these 9, we got a successful trade on Page Industries. This is a daily high liquidity demand zone. We have a rally, base rally. This rally candle is on 5th October 2021. And this zone is again fine-tuned with 75 minutes time frame. We have identified 2 75 minutes zones, fine-tuned zones inside the daily zone. The first zone is on 21st March 2024, and there above we have one more zone is there. And these 2 zones again we need to fine-tune with 15 minutes time frame. So these are the 15 minutes fine-tuned zones. So we have a drop, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a rally candle. This rally candle is on 21st March 2024. After that we have again a rally, base rally. And we have one more 15 minutes fine-tuned zone in this upper 75 minute zone. Let me show you in the next slide. So this is the one. We have a drop, base, rally. So this zone is created, this Legany is on 8th April 2024. You can always see the timestamp below these candles. Mostly I am showing you the timestamps for the legging candle so that easily you can go to that timestamp and you can draw the zones on your charts. And now let us fine tune these 15 minute zones with the 5 minutes time frame. So these are the 5 minutes fine-tuned zones inside the 15 minute zones. This is the one we have a leg candle, we have 3 base candles and a rally candle. Again here we have a drop candle, 2 base candles and a rally candle. And the third one is here in this zone. I will show you in the next slide. So here you have a drop candle, 2 base candles and a rally candle. Prices came very close to this zone, and here also look into the rejection, huge rejection. But they didn't get into this zone just before. Few paisa before this zone again prices were rejected back. Definitely we can plan a trade in this fine-tuned 5 minute zone. See, this is the entire Page Industry 5 minutes fine-tuned zones. See, in today's trading prices entered into this zone and reached the 15 minutes target. Let me show you. So this is the one. This is the fine-tuned 5 minute zone. And from here we got an entry around 1 o'clock. On 7th May 2024 around 1 o'clock. We got the entry and then prices were started moving up and they came very close. But they failed to reach this is the 15 minutes target slightly. But the 1 minute trailing stop loss, the moment it hit the stop loss, you would have exited from this trade. That way you would have booked your profit. This is what 1 minute zone I am showing you. We have a rally, base rally, and this zone is violated in this candle, and then you will exit. And this is the way Page Industry has given a profit 8,202 rupees as per one future margin, one future lot size. And ROA is 8.8% as per one future margin cost. So it's an excellent trade. Page Industries. And this is the only successful trade on this day. And also we have one stopped out trade, that is Chambal Fertilizers. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. So this is a 75 minutes demand zone, rally, base, rally. This we fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. See, we have this is a leg in rally, 2 base candles and again a rally. This is a 15 minute zone. Inside this 15 minute zone, again we fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. See, this is a leg in. We have 3 base candles and we have a rally candle. See, always I am showing you the leg in timestamp on each time frame. At the bottom you can see this is Wednesday, 24 April 2024. On this day we have a leg in. After that 3 base candles and a rally candle. So we planned a trade in this zone. But see what happened? Prices entered into the zone and it is stopped out. So this is the way we got 1,045 rupees loss because it is a stopped out trade as per one future lot. And the negative ROA is 0.6%. Very small percentage because maximum up to 2% you can accept. The maximum accepted risk, but it is up to you. Some people will accept only 1%. Some people will accept 0.5%. It is all depending on your risk management. But whatever it is here, 0.6% loss we would get because it is a stopped out trade. Next one is LIC, Housing Finance. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. This zone is also violated, but we know that this zone will be violated. There is a reason, I will show you. We have a rally, base, rally. This is a LIC Housing Finance is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone. This is fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. So this is the base candle. So this is the leg candle. We have a base and rally. This is the I'm sorry. LIC Housing Finance is not having a fine-tuned 15-minute zone. Sorry for my mistake. This is the fine-tuned. This is the 5-minute zone, not a fine-tuned zone. But why we are drawing this zone? There is a reason. So this is the 5-minute zone. We have a drop. We have 2 base candles and a rally candle. This is not a fine-tuned zone. See here, LIC Housing Finance 5-minute zone is not a fine-tuned zone. But why we have drawn? Because there were rejections from this zone. Previously it is tested. Second time it gave a good rejection. Generally we feel rejections are there. We feel like to take a trade. But remember, look into the second rejection. Prices went very deep inside, almost close to the digital line. The prices went. So that's why don't plan a trade. We should not plan. We know that the zone will be violated. See here, the prices went very deep. This is the second time the prices entered into this zone. That's why we did not plan a trade. It is a tested zone. Rejections always, it will tempt us to take a trade. If the rejections are very near to the zone, huge rejections, But here the rejection prices went deep inside. So we should not take a risk for planning your trade. See today what happened? Prices entered and then it is violated. We know that this zone will be violated because it is a tested zone. We don't plan on the tested zones. But if huge rejections are there, generally we try to take a risk, but if the rejection is from the proximal line. But previously, prices went more deep inside. That's why even though there is a rejection, we don't take trade in this zone. And next one is Punjab National Bank. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. This is the rally candle. This is the one, leg in. Why it is a leg in? Because you add the hidden body. If you add the hidden body, this is a rally candle. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a rally candle. Here it is having a fine-tuned zone. So this is a 15 minutes fine-tuned zone. We have a drop, 2 base candles and a rally candle. Look into the leg-in date. Always I am showing you the leg-in date so that it will be easy for you to draw on your charts. This is 2nd April, 9:45 minutes. We have a leg-in date, after the 2 base candles and a rally. Now you see here, this is a ERC candle as a leg-in, 2 base candles and a rally with a gap up. So it's a good zone to plan a trade, but previously tested, prices went more deep inside and gave a very good profit previously. See, there was a good move. Because this zone is tested, now you cannot plan a trade. This zone will be violated. We know that when a zone will be violated, you already learned in our lesson 16 in our training program. See, in today's trading, prices easily violated this zone. This is the way we identified 2 zones will be violated. This one and the previous, both the stocks. And there are 5 other stocks. Crompton, a daily HLQ demand zone, not having a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. And MFSL is not having a fine-tuned zone. Even Cipla is a daily. Cipla I already explained previously how to fine-tune this zone. Even Coromandel also I explained. And Apollo Tyre is not having any fine-tuned zones. So this is about the high liquidity zones generated. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.